In this video, we listed the 5 best portable hammock stands that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. The Zupapa Steel Hammock Stand. A heavy-duty structure made from steel poles can bear 550 pounds of weight. The metal parts are powder-coated, and the hardware is zinc-coated to prevent corrosion. Also, the feet are equipped with rubber caps. With their high load capacity, this stand is perfect for 2 adults. Besides, the overall stability is top-notch. So this is a great hammock for heavier people. Users loved the beefy design and the solid durability. On the downside, the use of steel makes this a heavy product. At 27 pounds, this isn't a stand that's easy to carry around. The good news is the carry bag is well crafted and is made from waterproof materials. The components are divided into 5 parts. The setup is simple, and there are rotating knobs connecting the parts. But remember, it's designed for hammocks between 8 inches to 10.5 inches in total length. One thing that we loved is the great customer service from Zupapa. Most reviewers were satisfied with that. Lastly, the stand has an affordable price tag that won't burden your pocket. If you want a reliable hammock stand that will last for years, check this one out. Number 2. Hammock Indoor Hammock Stand. The Hammock One is one product that checks the right boxes. It combines a hammock with a steel frame that offers solid support. And the best part is, the entire package has a weight of just 14.5 pounds. That makes it the lightest hammock and stand combo on the market. The structure has a small footprint of 36 inches x 24 inches. That makes it good enough for indoor use. The hammock is made from 210T parachute nylon material with good durability. Users remarked that the material offers a comfortable feel. Moreover, it also comes with a mesh basket, a drink pocket, a padded headrest, and a sunshade. Users found the deep pockets great for storing a wide variety of items. But the cup holders aren't easy to reach. Also, the hammock is good enough for users up to 6'4" in height. On the downside, the Hammock One has a lower weight capacity of 250 pounds. That doesn't make it the best choice for heavier individuals. Beyond that, some users found the setup process isn't so simple. To be fair, setting up the hammock gets much easier once you memorize the process. Other than that, the structure doesn't allow the hammock to swing. If you enjoy swaying in a hammock, this isn't the right choice. Number 3. Best Choice Steel Hammock Stand. If you want a hammock stand that's easy to move around, check this one out. What makes this special is the built-in wheel that adds to the portability. We loved the extra feature at this price point. Coming to the construction, the metal structure is made from 12-gauge steel tubes and durable steel pins. It's also marked as rust-resistant. The overall craftsmanship isn't the best in class, but we aren't complaining at this price point. The stand feels solid, and most users appreciated the stability. Some users noted a minor wobble while swaying, but it wasn't a cause for concern. Assembling the unit is also super easy and tool-free. The weight limit stands at 450 pounds. That's good enough for heavy users. Keep in mind the stand weighs 26 pounds. But even though it's heavy, the supplied carry bag is good enough for storage. Plus, it comes with an affordable price tag. We feel it offers solid value. Number 4. Ceara Hammock Stand. The first thing that reviewers loved is the construction quality. The steel frame with powder coating feels beefy and will last for years. We also appreciated the level of attention to detail. For example, the central connecting bar at the bottom is raised above ground level. This makes it easy to set up the stand on rough ground. Then again, the rubber caps on the feet are of high quality. Add to that a weight carrying capacity of 440 pounds and rock-solid stability. Let's not forget the stand is adjustable. The length can be varied between 10.3 foot to 12.5 to fix hammocks of varying lengths. Overall, this is a hammock that users with a large build will enjoy using. That said, the high-quality steel construction keeps the overall weight higher. The stand weighs 44 pounds and isn't a product that can be moved around easily. The assembly isn't the fastest or the easiest, either. But it doesn't take more than 12 to 15 minutes. You also get a wrench for fixing connectors. It turns out this is also a hammock with a high price tag. So if you're on a budget and prefer a portable design, look elsewhere. Number 5. Lazy Daze Double Cotton Steel Stand. The hammock is made from durable and weather-resistant canvas material. The structure is made from powder-coated steel. The structure is super sturdy, and the stability levels are good. You can also adjust the height as per your need. The fact is, users loved the level of comfort the hammock offered. The weight capacity is 450 pounds, and the size of the hammock is big enough for 2 average-sized people. That makes it a great choice for couples. Note the hammock is designed to cocoon around you. However, some users may not like that style. Beyond that, setting it up is simple too. Most users were able to manage the assembly within 10 to 15 minutes. On the downside, the unit's weight is close to 35 pounds. So this isn't the best in terms of portability. A carry bag is included in the package, but the packed size is too long for comfortable carry. Some users also mentioned stitching defects in the hammock.